We're going to start off by asking the most basic question. What is Lightroom? And that's a valid question. I find a lot of people have some confusion in terms of what role Lightroom plays in a photographer's workflow. And the fact that Adobe also makes Photoshop, I think, adds to the confusion. Because these are two tools designed for photographers, and oftentimes people don't understand what role Lightroom plays in that workflow when compared to Photoshop. So hopefully we'll answer some of those questions for you. First of all, there's a few things that Lightroom does very well. First, this is probably one of the most important, is it gives you the ability to organize and manage your content, whether it be a collection or an album of photos or videos. Other really important feature inside of Lightroom is the opportunity to enhance and improve your artwork. Then there's this series of features that really are dedicated to sharing your photography and your artwork. So what we want to take a look at specifically is why would you end up using Lightroom? Now, like I mentioned, because there's these features and these features really represent three main tasks. The one that you'll perform inside the program is, first of all, you'll organize and manage your photos and videos. Then you'll enhance and improve your images. And then all those features or other features will give you the ability to share your photos. But what's important to a Lightroom is Lightroom isn't a program that you'll use instead of Photoshop. In fact, what you'll end up doing is starting your work inside of Lightroom, and oftentimes you'll carry that work over into Photoshop. So the seamless workflow between these two programs is what makes Lightroom so popular and so powerful. So hopefully this gives you a general idea as to what the program is. Over the next couple of movies, what we'll do is get you comfortable with the program itself so you can start working efficiently inside of it.